Hello. Through this video, we will take you through the Tikavani application and service being used for enhancing data collection and service delivery to improve coverage of immunization and follow-up. Tikavani strengthens the routine immunization by assisting both supply and demand sides. It supports the health workers in digitizing the immunization data by just clicking a picture of the MCP card. This reduces their burden of manual reporting and also prevents the delay in data digitization. This is also important because not all last mile field workers are tech savvy to manually enter the information using smartphones. The caregivers of eligible children are sent automated voice alerts before and after the vaccination sessions based on the date of birth of the child and their vaccination history. The process data is also sent into a real-time dashboard for health workers and officials to monitor and take timely corrective steps to improve vaccination coverage and equity. This helps in promoting vaccine confidence among underserved communities. To log into the Tikavani app, the health worker enters their 4-digit unique PIN on her smartphone. Once inside the app, they have an option of reviewing the upcoming vaccination sessions, the due list of children to be vaccinated in those sessions, as well as which vaccines they will be administered. If required, they can also trigger a phone call to the ASHA of that village from within the application to speak to her on the follow-up action required for the case. The application also creates a due list of children based on an algorithm that uses the date of birth of the child as well as the information of previous vaccines administered. And this list is sent to the ASHA worker as an SMS one day prior to the session. This saves their time and effort in creating the due list and helps them in planning their work. Based on the same due list, the pre-session reminders are also sent out to the caregivers. Once the vaccines have been administered to the child and the physical MCP card has been updated manually, the health worker selects the card scanner option, scans the unique QR code, and takes a picture of the vaccination page using the app. This way, all the data gets digitized and synced automatically in real time. Using the app, health workers view the report or dashboard, providing a near real-time graphical representation of the analysis on vaccine timeliness, delays, and dropouts. A similar web link interface is also available with health officials where they can use the slicers on the dashboard to monitor the data for any particular date, month, or subcenter. The dashboard is also used to compare the performance of two subcenters of the same subcenter in two different time periods or of two different antigens over time. The caregivers of the children who are due for immunization receive an automated voice call from Tikavani to remind them of the upcoming vaccination session in their village. Similarly, a post-vaccination handshake or a reiteration of the key messages related to the vaccination is sent out on the evening of the vaccination session to all the caregivers whose children received the vaccine on that day. The key messages include which vaccines were administered to the child, which diseases they prevent, what could be the possible side effects, and what to do if the child experiences those side effects. This call also provides parents the option to take a quick survey on the vaccination session. This also helps in data triangulation for the program managers. How easy or difficult do you find using the Tikavani application?
I find it quite easy. It's not difficult to use the application.
Does the Tikavani application assist you in your work in any way?
The due list is sent to us automatically and all the caregivers are sent a reminder call. So overall it makes things very easy for us. The tally sheet feature is also good because it is made automatically.
How easy or difficult do you find using the Tikavani application?
We are not facing any challenges while using the application.
And does the Tikavani application assist you in your work in any way?
Yes.
How does it help in your work?
The ASHA worker receives the automated due list well in advance, so we do not have to help them in that, and they start their mobilization activities with it. The tally sheet is also helpful after each session. Even we do not have to make the due list now because the app shows all the due children for each session. Earlier the ASHA started the mobilization when we brought the due list. Now they just go through their SMS due list and inform all the families in advance.
And are there any features that you don't use at all?
No, all the features are useful, so we use all of them.
And any challenges that you are currently facing in the application?
No, there are no technical challenges now. Initially, some features were not working, but when we reported those, the problem was solved.